Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect Unity with Firebase. To begin, navigate to the Firebase console and create a brand new project. Once your project is established, register your Unity application by providing its unique bundle ID. After registration, download the essential configuration file, either googleservices.json for Android or googleserviceinfo.plist for iOS. This file acts as the bridge between your Unity project and Firebase, so keep it safe for the next steps. Next, you'll need to integrate the Firebase SDK into your Unity environment. Download the Firebase Unity SDK from the official Firebase website. After unzipping the package, import the specific Firebase Unity package files you intend to use, like authentication or real-time database, into your Unity project. Crucially, drag and drop the configuration file you downloaded earlier into your Unity project's assets folder. This step ensures Unity can locate and utilize your Firebase project settings. Now, let's initialize Firebase within your Unity application. Create a dedicated C# script, perhaps named Firebase Initializer, to handle this process. Within this script, include code to check for Google Play Services availability, which is vital for Android. It's best practice to ensure Firebase initializes very early in your app's lifecycle, such as on a splash screen. This guarantees all Firebase services are ready before your main game logic begins, preventing potential errors. With Firebase initialized, you can now leverage its powerful services. Access features like Firebase authentication for user logins, the real-time database for dynamic data storage, or cloud storage for user-generated content. Within your C# scripts, use the dedicated Firebase APIs to interact with these services. For example, you can write code to save player progress, authenticate users with email and password, or store game assets in the cloud, enhancing your application's capabilities significantly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.